Most people hear store of value and then they imagine a flat line, a nice, boring chart, something that looks responsible enough to impress their accountant. That instinct, though, that confuses emotional comfort with financial survival, okay? Value storage has one job only: to carry purchasing power forward through time. Everything else is decoration. If an asset rises gently while buying less every single year, that calm becomes a lie dressed up as maturity. You see, inflation has already introduced itself. We know that. We feel it. It has raised the rent. It has doubled our grocery bills. It has hollowed out our wages, and it has turned savings accounts into punchlines. And we know that happened very quietly. There were no red candles on a chart. There were no panic headlines. Just subtraction stretched thin enough to feel normal to the populace. Because if it actually felt something to the populace, they would grab their pitchforks and march on City Hall. Bitcoin behaves differently, though, because it reprices very honestly. It compresses years of monetary distortion into visible movement on the chart every second of the day. And that visibility shocks people quite a bit because they are more accustomed to slow erosion of their wealth. The reality is that over meaningful timeframes, Bitcoin preserves purchasing power better than world currencies, any commodities out there, any bonds out there, and any equities out there too. And that outcome has held across cycles, crashes, manias, and narrative shifts. The volatility that people obsess over fades when time expands. Short windows of time tend to exaggerate fear, but long windows of time reveal a structure being built. People who demand smoothness from their store of value, they usually want reassurance, not protection, because reassurance feels very good. Protection feels uncomfortable until the alternative shows up in a bank statement somewhere. Time exposes absolutely everything, and Bitcoin performs exceptionally well under that pressure over long periods of time. And in the end, we all know that time is the only judge that ever matters.